This is an exciting moment for all of us at Hyundai. It's the technological lighthouse of Hyundai, and IONIQ 5N represents our passionate commitment to our fans who truly enjoy driving.
Our focus was to aim at the hearts of car enthusiasts. We pushed the limits of EV technology in order to create an EV that not only suits our culture, but most importantly, for our fans to look forward to experience. The new IONIQ 5N will elevate N brand to a new playing field.
If it is not fun, it is not an N. With the new IONIQ 5N, we are pushing even further to electrify our driving passion. Our first Hyundai N high-performance EV can also be used at track days with reasonable stints and super fast charging. Well, not only do you need strong brakes, but you also want to recover as much energy as possible. With the IONIQ 5N, we achieve both. We are introducing sound and shifting as functional feedback and control elements.
It takes the N design language into its newest incarnation, the most futuristic incarnation. So it's the most dynamic language we have on an N and that we've done before. Working with the engineering teams, everything on this is about working and functionality.
We wanted to make an electric car the way we want to drive it, a typical Hyundai N car. And during the process, we ended up creating our own benchmark for electric high performance.
This is great starting line, not the finish line.